When it comes to window cleaning, most important items are that which actually touch the window. And that would be the rubber of your squeegee or the towels you're using. Now if you're using something like a Terrycloth, chances are you're leaving lint or streaks on your window. What you need is premium microfiber cloth. Besides being awesome for touching up the center of windows without leaving any marks, microfiber is extremely absorbent and versatile. Let's head over to the driveway, go check out a couple other uses. So like I was saying before, microfiber is extremely absorbent and versatile. Works great for dusting or drying off your vehicle after a wash. Or my favorite use, mirrors. There's nothing more frustrating than cleaning a mirror only to see that one little spot right in the middle. And if you're using anything like a Terrycloth, you're going to leave behind lint. And this month, Treasure Valley Supply has got a promotion, purchasing $100 or more and receive a free microfiber cloth. If you're anything like me, you're going to want a lot more than one. So go to treasurevalleysupply.com and get yours today. Now get back up on that ladder. Now where is Mike?